This is a brief update for February 5th, 2018. I've been a little bit sick. I think I had a cold today, but I'm feeling a little bit better. So I might as well do a video. I haven't done a video since January 23rd. There was a stock market crash, over 1,100 point drop. Bitcoin has fallen to less than 7,000. When I checked, it was like 6,300. Oh, 6,900. But, Bitcoin had been at 19,000 and it's been dropping. And the problem with cryptocurrencies is that they seemingly are tied to the stock market. They're basically a stock. They're not a true currency. They're not something that you have in your hand. There's not something that you can directly pay bills with. There are some merchants that do take it, but you can't pay your taxes with it. You can't pay any government tickets or bills or anyway. You get the point. It's not a regular currency. It acts more like a stock. And like Gridcoin and Solarcoin and all these major cryptocurrencies are falling. Gold has gone up $12 an ounce today. But I say good riddance because the stock market is an overpriced casino in which people just gamble away their money and they proclaim to own the productivity of others and make a profit from it. Wages are no longer tied with productivity anymore, and I believe that the whole Wall Street system is seriously in need of an overhaul. It's seriously corrupt. Maybe even needs to be shut down. But either way, 90% of people don't even own stock. So when the stock market crashes, it doesn't even affect most people directly. Indirectly, it might affect them, but there are some wealthy people losing money that way. And I also think it's funny that good old Donald Trump took credit for the stock market being at a record high. Does that mean he's going to take credit for being at a record low? I don't know. We have a moron in the White House. Some of his economic policies have been bad. His cuts to HUD, his cuts to social services, massive tax cuts that's going to throw the United States an additional $1.5 trillion in debt, increased defense spending. These are direct policies that have a negative impact on the economy that Trump has already done in his first year as president. So don't be a fool, but don't be a fool and buy into his BS. Don't be a fool and buy into the stock market BS. It's all freaking BS. During the Black Death, that killed off the nobility and it cleared the way for the Renaissance. Maybe this chaos, this upcoming new economic chaos, which is always started by a stock market crash, if it is that, hopefully maybe the chaos will bring reform and change. Anyway, this is Steampunk Star Raising out. You have a nice day, and I will see you 25 billion years, or will.